Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be talking about my latest project, which is an updated version of my processing drawing app called Fake Create. The code to this project will be on my GitHub. It will also be in the description, and let's take a look at the project. So here in my canvas I have a blue background and some stars, which is the stamp. And it doesn't look like much has changed, so I'll boot it up again and I'll show you. So we're going to press play. And here you have the same thing as last time, except there are three noticeable changes. If I, for example, change the brush color to red and I clear, the entire canvas is going to be red. If I change the color to yellow and I clear, it's going to be yellow, blue, blue, etc. The next change is this three-sided grading, where it's going to have the selected color in the top right, white in top left, and black along the bottom. This is an HSB color, where the saturation of the color will change through horizontally, and the brightness of the color will change vertically. So if I draw with my pen and I take this darker color and I draw a line, maybe make it a little bit thicker. If I draw a line, you can see it's darker, but I can make it darker and more darker, or I can make it lighter, so raise the brightness. So this grading makes it so that you don't just have a set saturation and brightness when you're drawing. It gives a little bit more variation, which allows for more colors and further usage. The third is this up here. If I'll clear my screen, this up here, you notice this is the stamp hotbar. By default, it's going to have the same stamp as normal. So if I draw here, you're going to see that yes, it's going to have this leaf pattern. But now I can select the smoke and I can draw with smoke. It's a little bit hard to see, so I'm going to clear with a darker color, let's say dark blue. There we have the smoke or clouds. And there's these five default stamps. And then instead of the S button, I now have an actual icon. Well, click this, click for example this star, and I'll draw stars. So I can easily import it and it's more visible and easier to see, as well as having a default hotbar. So you aren't necessarily stuck on one stamp all the time. You have these ability to choose between a few. And that's all the updates on my processing drawing app. Thank you so much for watching.